I think you all know A&T as a video collaboration expertise company for the past 22 years. We have been purely into video conferencing, video rich media collaboration, and now we are looking at adding on meeting collaboration and unified communication in the coming days. So our focus has been on collaboration front. And when we started off rich media collaboration, I think many of you know that we did one of the early project at the Indian Institute of Science way back in 2009. Using a US solution called Ubicast, and when we actually did 23 seminar halls at the India's #1 tech institute out there. Over the years, we have done several different kinds of projects at different institutes. It's a research institute or an education institute or a corporate training or a medical college. So many areas where we have done in terms of rich multimedia capture, archiving and streaming or delivering the lectures online. And with all the experiences and expertise, we were actually looking out for current need of the market, where because of the pandemic, I think everyone needs to go online beyond just a two-way video conferencing. We also need to have the content archived and delivered anywhere, anytime for students' references and all. So when we were evaluating, we several products we have been evaluating, and quite interestingly, we wanted to fit products which could suit the Indian market, and Ubicast is one, which is a French company. It's a European company, and quite interestingly, this is our second French partnership. Just about a couple of months back, we tied up with a French company called Kickle. I think many of you know that as well. And primarily, I believe your faculties are the right trainers, especially in the rural areas, right? In India, if you really look into it, the content, the language, so many languages, and you cannot use Udemy's and Baiju's of the world to actually deliver lectures to people sitting in the rural area. So you need to create content, the kind of content which can be absorbed by the students in these areas, right? So one of the fastest and quickest way to do that is using kind of solution like Ubicast. You might have seen various solutions across the world which are out there. The differences in terms of our partnership with Ubicast, it's a very strategic partnership where we are going to be we are running their service in India, in cloud hosted in India, right? So kind of partnership which can actually enable the customers to adopt to it very quickly in terms of creating content and delivering it, and for the students to actually get engaged more with the faculty. So the other important aspect is we also need the facility where the students need to feel that kind of classroom experience, and at the same time, whenever and wherever they are, they should be able to access it, which is what we have been propagating for the past 14 years of our rich media collaboration experiences and expertise. And now we are taking that to a next level with a collaboration with Ubicast. So it has to be a easy to use level, and then there's this cloud model which will also fit in. So that's to talk more on that. We have David Mendrecu from Ubicast. He's the international sales director of Ubicast, and he has over 10 years of experience in this industry. He has authored many papers on this subject. He has been consulting many universities and educational institutions across the world to go online, to make it digital, and I think he has a vast experience in this. And I think in the last 6 months of my interaction with him, I find him so much of passion in him to ensure that the students actually, really get benefited by the kind of technology what they are building or what they have and what they continuously are planning to build up, right?